Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing some dip powder unboxing from Modelones. So let's go ahead and let's see what is inside this pack. I'm very excited about this one. Ooh, nice. What's inside? There is something here. Let's see. Inside here. Okay, here we have instructions. Okay, here we have a 180 ml file. We have a cuticle pusher. We have a dusting brush. It's a small one, but it's a dusting brush. And we have a cuticle oil. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. Let's see. Ooh, some came out of the pack. Okay. I see, but it's okay. No problem. That's because probably got shaken up inside the package. Okay, and next we have a mini buffer, and then we can see all the colors that are included. And I see some extra brushes for the base glue, and then this one has, let's see what we see here. So we have the base. We have the activator. This is the gel top, and this is a brush saver. In case that you get any hardening of the brushes when you start using your base, you can use this one, the brush saver, just to clean it up. I like that because the previous kit I had didn't have that. But cleaning with acetone worked for me as well in the past, cleaning these brushes, and they're actually pretty durable. They don't get damaged with acetone if you have to clean them. Let me take it out so we can see what's in here. Oh, there's a wooden stick as well, and these are the extra brushes. Very nice. Okay. And I'm gonna be doing some swatching of these colors, and I will show you. Here I'm just comparing two sizes. This is from an old kit that I have, 12 gram, and I'm comparing to the kit I have right now that is 8 gram. So you can see the difference in sizes. It's always a good idea to read the full description of the products that you're buying because pictures can be deceiving for sure. These are the steps for preparing your natural nail, but because I'm using today a tip, I'm skipping this. And I'm gonna go straight into the dip powder application. So the first step here is the base. I have to apply an even layer all over my nail and making sure I'm not touching my skin because the powder will attach to wherever this base is. It happened to me one time and I had to file off acrylic from my skin. Not a good plan. I'm gonna be repeating the same step for all the nails, where you put the base, then powder, then let it settle in there for 60 seconds. I will dust off the extra excess of powder, repeat the second layer for all the nails again, apply activator and let the acrylic cure and harden, and it will be ready for filing and reshaping. Overall, I like this kit. The colors are beautiful and you can use it on your natural nail or on fake nails. I'm planning to use it as well for nail art. Wow, I'm really happy with these nails today. I'm so happy. They're so beautiful. I think I haven't done pink in a very long time. I think I will try it again soon. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next video.